We love Cathedral School because we feel it has a genuine spirit, and that's a spirit of belonging, of kindness, of safety, of achievement.
I love the Cathedral School because they offer so many opportunities, and I love the activities and clubs that they provide, from music to sports, and it's really awesome to meet all the new people along the way.
I love the Cathedral School because the size of the school means that we really get to know the students that we're teaching, and they get to know us, and everyone has a true sense of belonging here at this beautiful campus in Mundingburra.
I love Cathedral because it's welcoming to anyone. Over the years, it's been my pleasure to show any new people around the school and to help them settle into the amazing school that Cathedral is.
I love the Cathedral School because it gives me lots of opportunities through academics and sports.
I love the Cathedral School because it's an incredible community to be a part of. We believe that students learn best when their needs and interests are acknowledged, and we have staff that are committed to providing exceptional learning experiences.
I love Cathedral because it doesn't just teach academics, it teaches sports, music, drama, anything that you want. It helps you to develop yourself into what you want to be when you're older.
I love the Cathedral School because I like making new friends and learn lots.
We invite you to experience the Cathedral School for yourself. Come along to our open day on Saturday the 19th of May from 9 a.m. until 12 noon.